I don't have a better body than Tiger, yaar. Have you seen that guy? Oof. It's a very complex character. He has a past. I got cut near my neck. Eat, sleep, wake up, do some yoga. हाँ जी. तो कैसे हैं आप?
मैं ठीक हूँ आप कैसे हो
बस बहुत बढ़िया.
so
Now that I'm
welcome to
talking to you, even better.
that's so nice that's good to hear welcome to Box Office India Sakib so you've
Thank
already
you.
answered my first question which I generally ask that how are you so I'll move on to my next question how has the lockdown been for you
Oof. It's been difficult, not only for me, I think for everybody. यार.
yeah
अब जबकि लॉकडाउन नहीं है अभी, बट वो सेंस ऑफ लॉकडाउन खत्म नहीं हुआ है because the fear of the COVID-19 virus is still out there. So I'd still like to tell people, man, be safe. Don't step out if you don't have to. But I know these are difficult times for everybody. People need to get out there and work. So if you consciously decide to do that, be very, very safe. Maintain all these safety measures because it's a difficult time, yeah. And more than anything else, I think it's difficult inside the head to be able to tell yourself it's okay, everything's going to be all right. And I don't know, man, with all the cases rising in India, हमारी कंट्री में बहुत तेजी से केसेस बढ़ रहे हैं, तो एक डर भी है. बट नाउ आई थिंक आई हैव come to terms with the fact that one needs to start living their lives, but by taking all safety measures that they can.
very well put also coming to Crackdown like you have been entertaining all of us and now 23rd so Crackdown is coming so what is your character or like you guys have created quite a mystery with all the promotions that you've been doing but we don't know what your character is all about so can you shed some light on your character
So my character is called RP. RP का पूरा नाम है रियाज पठान. And he's a secret service agent. He's a special agent. And also, what the show is about, it's about the unsung heroes that we never get to know about. Is it inspired from real incidents? Yes, but it is not on one specific incident. But what we read in the newspapers, what we read in books, it's these characters are made out of that. So there is an amount of realism in the world that we've tried to create for Crackdown. Specifically, my character is a one-man army. He there's nothing more than trying to keep his nation safe. That's what he works for day in and day out. And it's a very complex character. He has a past that he's fighting. There are always questions on his credibility, whether he is a good agent or not. But he doesn't let all of that affect him. He just keeps his eyes on the mission and what needs to be done, and he focuses on that. So to play a guy like him, especially, I love action. To begin with, Ananya,
yeah
I think it's one of the most fascinating genres that there are. And as much as I like it, I haven't done enough of it. So this gave me an opportunity to show my kicking and punching and boxing
yeah
skills that I've been training for a while. So I'm very, very, very excited. I really want people like this new avatar of me, because before this I've always done cute roles, nice roles, barring Rangbaz. I think
yeah
I've
I was
always
gonna
tried
say that
to.
Rangbaz wasn't cute at all
It was intense, I really
yeah
enjoyed doing that. So I want to do intense stuff. I want to do stuff that pushes me as an actor. And all of this does. Action is not easy. I used to come back from shoot with bruises on my back, on my arms. Uh, I got uh, I got cut near my neck. So yeah, it took a lot out of me. But when you see everything come together, it's just a great feeling. Yeah. So I think
absolutely
I've really enjoyed working on the show, and I hope when it comes out on the 23rd, people also see it and feel the same thing.
That's beautiful to say. So your transformation, like that is one major thing that people are noticing. Like I was going through your Instagram and all your fans are like, "Oh, Sakib, we are very like excited to see you in this avatar." So how did it feel when you saw that transformation? Like you mentioned that this was one of the difficult transformations that you had to go through. So how did that feel when you finally saw the results?
Oof, it was difficult, yeah, Ananya. It was very difficult to to have made that kind of a body but still be agile and flexible and do action. So it was, like I said, it is one of the most toughest transformations for me, because I had to be a field agent. I had to look fit, I had to be fit, I had to kick, I had to
Yeah.
punch. So also what happens is, when you make like a big body, like you grow on bulk on your arms and your shoulders and your chest, your body tends to get stiff. So I had to keep that in mind as well, because I had to do a lot of action. So I had to start doing a lot of yoga. I had to start doing a lot of kickboxing, so that I could open my body to its utmost potential. So yeah, I used to practically live in the gym. I used to wake up. I used to go to the gym. I used to come back, eat, sleep, wake up, do some yoga, sleep, then maybe run on the treadmill for a little bit. So it did take a lot physically out of me to achieve the body that I achieved for the show. But I'm just glad that people are liking it. Yeah, ultimately you do all of it for people to like it, and it's great when journalists like you, when people on social media say good things, that oh damn, it looks nice, it looks great. So it feels like all the hard work that you put in is doing something well for you.
That's good. That feels so good. Actually, we kind of did a post on Instagram like who would you vote,
Hmm.
and most of the people voted for you. So I think you've
Which
done a
which
great
which
job.
post was this? Which post was this? Sorry.
We just asked whose body do you root for more. So it was Tiger, you, and one more person. I don't know. I don't remember, but most of the people
I
voted
don't have
for
a
you.
better body than Tiger, yaar. Have you seen that guy?
But
Oof.
people have been rooting
He's
for you,
he's
so I think
That's very sweet.
that
I love people,
yeah.
but I just want to say, man, Tiger, in the space that he is, the action hero that he is, I don't think anybody does action like him. And that body, man, what are you talking about here?
It's just fans that love you so much have been
They're
supporting you,
just
so
very
that's
kind.
great. Yeah.
They are just very, very kind, and I've gotten a lot of love for whatever I've done. So it feels great, yeah, when people say
Yeah.
that.
Okay, on that note, thank you so much for giving so much time to me. I'm so sorry I took so much time of yours. It was
No, I
lovely chatting to
apologize,
you.
yaar. I should have figured this out better. But it's lovely talking to you. Thank you. I'd
Likewise.
love to
Thank
know
you so
what you
much.
think about Crackdown and
Yes,
about Comedy Couple when both
absolutely.
these things come out. And thank you for giving
Absolutely.
me so much love, yeah. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.
Bye. See you.